The Appalachian region encompasses parts of Ohio, West Virginia, and Pennsylvania. And the natural gas opportunity we have is creating jobs, creating prosperity, and bringing a lot of new industry to the region. But it's not all a rosy picture. We undertook a study about what skills would be needed over the next decade. And if we don't do things differently in terms of education and workforce development, we could be short by tens of thousands of people. I think one of the interesting things about it is
our ultimate goal was economic development. We wanted to find a way to attract other industries to this region to utilize the resource that's right under our feet.
ShaleNET curricula was developed in concert with industry partners, and it comprises skills and competencies related to industrial process controls, instrumentation and electronics, gas measurement, and industrial maintenance.
Chevron supports ShaleNET through grant giving, providing scholarships, and the equipment they need to train these workers.
We've aligned the coursework among 5 technical colleges in Pennsylvania, West Virginia, and Ohio so that students can take classes in either place and get a consistent skill set. The students are finding that the skills apply broadly. That means they can find jobs in oil and gas, they can find it in power generation, and industrial manufacturing.
the goal of ShaleNET isn't to create a static curriculum, but to have one that continues to evolve as the needs of the industry do. In the first 2 years of training, we were able to train and place more than 3,500 people with about an 85% retention rate. If we have a lot of companies at the table, we're able to not only deliver high-quality talent for today, but we're really building that pipeline for the future.